Did you know the Bee Gees were the third most successful band of all time on the US Billboard charts? And you'll never guess who number 1 or number 2 was. Well, stick around because I'm going to tell you that, plus I'm going to teach you this song on acoustic guitar. Hey there budding Campfire guitar heroes, it's Dean again, bringing you those forgotten songs we all love to remember. And in recent weeks I've really enjoyed bringing you my series on quirky and cool English songs, as you can see above. But today I'm bringing you a song that was requested by one of you. And fortunately we share the same taste in music because I love this song. And it's actually really easy to play on Campfire guitar, so I'm going to teach you that very shortly. But as you know at Campfire Guitar Hero, one of my taglines is don't just learn the song, learn about the song. So stick around now, I'm going to teach you a few facts about the Bee Gees and this particular song. Look, you can skip this part if you just want to play the song, but knowledge is power, my friends, so don't just be a guitarist, be a clever guitarist. Okay, today's song was released in 1968, which if I do my maths, that makes it as old as I am. However, I'm sensing this song has left more of a global impact on the world than what I have at the moment. But hey, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and who knows, one day Campfire Guitar Hero could make its impact on the world. Anyway, this song was a huge hit, reaching number 1 in Australia, New Zealand, Canada, Brazil and Denmark, and it hit number 6 on the US Billboard charts. But of course, over their career, the Bee Gees have hit it big time in the US. As I mentioned before, number 3 best-selling band of all time. And who was number 1 and 2? The Beatles and the Supremes. Look, the Bee Gees' success around the world, and particularly the US, was no doubt fueled by their massive album Saturday Night Fever, the soundtrack to the great movie which launched the disco era in the late 1970s. Great songs such as Saturday Night Fever, Stayin' Alive, You Should Be Dancing, and How Deep Is Your Love. Look, I could go on and on. But we're here to talk about today's song, which is I Started a Joke. Look, it's a pretty sad song. It's really describing somebody's, I guess, regret that, you know, something they've said or done and they wish they hadn't, and the impact that that's having. They're now alienated by everyone around them. And that emotion is featured in a scene from the comedy movie Zoolander, where the song, covered by the Wallflowers, is played while Derek Zoolander sort of laments the fact that he actually won an award that he didn't actually deserve to win.
I looked at the skies, running my hands over my eyes.
Other notable covers are Faith No More 1995 and Robbie Williams in 1998. But dare I say the best cover version is going to be the one that you bust out in your bedroom once I teach you how to play this, and we're about to do that right now. So let's get out of the studio and go where Campfire Guitar belongs, by the campfire. I'll see you on the other side. So to get started, I recommend you download the song sheet, which is available on my Patreon page, all the details below. And while you're on Patreon, make sure you give a shout out to Michael B, who was my very first patron. He's been there since day one. Massive thanks, Michael, for supporting my work. Now the song recipe, the primary ingredients for this song. The original key was G, and I'm going to play it on G because it seems to, I think, work and suit my voice. Pretty slow tempo, 78 beats per minute, and the structure of the song's really simple. It's just verse, chorus, verse, chorus type thing. There's no bridge, there's no outros or anything like that. Of course, the feel of the song, it's a soft, it's a moody, it's a melodic song, but mostly the emotion is about sadness. And in terms of vocal abilities to pull a song off, using my Patreon criteria, I reckon this one classifies as a shower singer. You don't need to have the most awesome voice to pull this song off. Let's see how I go later on in the lesson. Okay, the chords to the song, it's a G, it's got a B minor, it's got a C, a D, it's also got an E minor and an A minor. Now in terms of chords, they're fairly simple and basic ones, and that's why we're going to play it on the key of G. Now folks, I'm a really small channel starting out on YouTube, so if you like this lesson, be sure to give it a like, give it a thumbs up below, and subscribe to my channel to stay in touch. Alright, let's get back to the lesson. Okay, the first verse has the chords G, B minor, C, and D. And it goes like this. I started a joke which started the whole world crying over and over again. Only I couldn't see. B minor, C, D. And the joke was on me. And that's the entire verse over and over again. Now, the strumming to that is a fairly simple strumming pattern, and I'll just block the strings and do it. It's down, down, up, down, up, down. Down, down, up, down, up, down. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down. Down, down, up, down, up, down. Now I'm also doing a bit of a block or a palm mute on that second down. So down, down, up, block. Right, next we do the chorus where we introduce the E minor and the A minor chord. So I'll just demo it for you now, finishing on the end of the second verse. I looked at the skies, running my hands over my eyes, and I fell out of bed, hurting my head from the things that I'd said. Back to the verse. So that was the chorus. Pretty straightforward, huh? To help you practice, don't forget to get the song sheet from my Patreon page, all the details below. Got the chords, got the lyric, everything you need to learn this song. Hey, thanks for watching, folks. I know you got a lot of choice on YouTube, so the fact that you chose to watch me means a heck of a lot. I'll see you next week. I'm actually bringing you a change of pace. I'm going to bring you a rock song from the band The Killers. So until next week, Campfire Guitar Hero, where all you need is a few chords, a few friends, maybe a few drinks, and everyone's a rock star.